My whole mouth was just worked on. It was just time to look at a bigger picture. So it just made sense to do everything at once. The stress of that, I live 4 hours away, and being able to get it all done at once has been amazing.
Yours. I was super happy when we got that. I was like, yes, it came at the right time.
My Forever Smile journey started like this. I wanted to get this surgery done because I have had multiple crowns, root canals. My whole mouth was just worked on.
Tammy's husband went through his Forever Smile journey first, and seeing his transformation helped her feel ready to start her own.
My husband also is 20 years younger than me, so I had to, do the great smile thing. At my age, they're starting to fall apart. Every year they were breaking, something was going on, and it was just time to look at a bigger picture. So I talked to Dr. Tran, and we decided to go with this, and we're in the next phase of it. The final delivery, first of all, is going to be a beautiful smile. But the biggest thing for me is just going to be that relief of not knowing that every year I'm going to have to come for another crown that might be falling out, or a root canal that's not, that it's just the stress of that. I live 4 hours away, and being able to get it all done at once has been amazing. The process so far has been awesome. Dr. Tran has been so accommodating. I live, 3.5, 4 hours away. And so he is very cognizant of that and makes every effort to do as much as he can and take that into account. The temporaries, they just didn't look like they were a little long and just funky looking, and Dr. Tran wasn't happy with them. He had me just leave for a couple hours, come back, and he was able to put in these. So our next step now, we're just going to keep going through this process and make sure that every time I come in that we look and see that it's just perfect. I had some health problems with my teeth, so it just made sense to do everything at once. The positive changes I know are going to be is I live in a rural area that dental is 4 hours away, and I'm not going to have to worry about my teeth falling out and having to drive so far. Getting older, it was just every year I needed it. So now I have the Forever Smile. It's been awesome. They go over and above. They are always trying to make you feel comfortable. It's been real easy that way. The staff is amazing. They go over and above, and they're just the best. I would say don't let financing be a barrier. And I know that's a huge one for this type of work. It was such an easy process. They helped us, and it was very quick. And that was, it was the simplest part. So happy, relieved, just like, can't believe that's my smile now. I'm super excited.
Yours. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Looks good.
Yeah. Look at these little characters. You see? Look at that. I was super happy when we got that. I was like, yes, it came at the right time.